What's going on, everybody? All right, today we're working on my Traeger. The right here, the control panel switch on the inside, it is burnt and broke. On the tabs right here, it done burnt and broke one of them off. So on the board, so we ordered another one. I got on Amazon and I ordered me another one. So we're gonna be installing that today and hopefully get our smoker back going. So what I'm gonna do is, you got 2 screws on each side, and I'm gonna take it off and take this off and push this in just to have room. So I'm looking at it. So right now, first I'm just gonna take this off just to have room. And if y'all don't have these magnet things, they come in handy. You already get you one. See right there? There's one of our problems right there. So I'm just gonna push this through, let it drop, just to give us some room, because all it is 4 screws. We're gonna take this off. All right, now simple as this, just lift up on it and just set it out of the way. And here's what we're dealing with. I'll get some cutters, cut off our zip ties, and it's all gonna be plug and play. That's the great thing about it, plug and play. Alrighty, now let's see, let's break this one loose. Unplug the purple. Shoot, let's go unplug them all. It's burned up pretty good, even though purple wire was coming out. All right, so I'm gonna take them off one at a time and do the cutter coating. Like that one's gonna be I'm gonna do next. So I don't exactly have to show this, and I'll get these all plugged up and we'll be back. All right, so now what I'm gonna do, I'm just gonna zip tie this up, make it look all nice and pretty, and we'll be ready to put the container back on. All right, now let's just set this back on. Put our screws in. Alrighty, so now we're gonna pull this right back out, just like so. Make sure everything good and line up. There we go. Now we're cooking, I think. All right, finally got that little booger in there. Now this one right here is not original Traeger. I bought this on Amazon. I put it down in the store link, this one, and also like original Traegers. This one was cheaper, so I wanted to try it out. It says fits all Traegers. I know this one's got like a little button right here, and my other one did not. But the only really difference is this one's got a button. I don't know what that button's for. I'm gonna find out. And that this one says Traeger right here. Other than that, let's plug it up and find out. Now, So I'm gonna pour some pellets in it. I used to open bags up, keep it in this thing, just because I like the way it looks. Alrighty. Now, let's turn it on and see if it's gonna work. Turn on smoke. Now we'll see if it smokes and see if the temperature goes up. Alright, y'all. She is smoking. So that means it is fixed. The Traeger is fixed. Because it wasn't doing that before. So now all you gotta do is close it down. You set whatever temperature you want. And boom. Let it start smoking. Let it do its thing. Temperature's gonna come up. See the smoke coming out of the little thing, which I got a new one now put on. So I hope y'all enjoyed this video. Give this video a thumbs up. Hit the subscribe button. And y'all be careful. Be safe. See y'all on the next one.